what should be your focus now? Your focus should be to rewrite your exam, right? And how do you know whether the particular date you should rewrite? The particular date you will write are different, maybe different from others. You know, in JAMB there is no particular day, there is no one day for rewriting your exam. I hope you are following. What you must do now is go to a CBT center and reprint your exam slip. Go now. Go to a CB center and reprint your exam slip. Everybody, all of you that are following our YouTube channel, go to a CBT center. All candidates are advised to reprint their UTME slip starting Friday 16th May. Starting when? Friday 16th of May. That should be on Friday 16th of May. Go and reprint your JAMB exam slip to confirm if they are rescheduled to receive the UTME exam. You don't know if you are rescheduled. It is when you go and reprint it that you will not know if you have an exam or not. Look at what they said. As such, it has been this from JAMB official. It has been established that a technical glitch affected 157 centers out of the 887 centers in the 2024 UTME. This was basically responsible for the general low performance of the candidates scheduled to sit the examination in those centers. As such, all the affected candidates, if you know you were affected, please come under the comment section and tell me if you are affected. Tell me the score JAMB gave you and the center you wrote, the state you wrote your exam, so that we can know if you are affected. If you are not comfortable with your JAMB result, everybody, I am announcing it now, go and reprint your slip. Go to a CBT center, just give them your reg number, phone number, email address, they will reprint it for you. As such, all the affected candidates will be contacted to reprint the examination slip towards retaking the exams. Go and reprint, so that reprint it now, so that you will know if you are taking your own exam now or tomorrow or next. Do you understand? Do you understand? Do you understand? If you have any issue, please tell me right now. Tell me right now in the comment section. Tell me right now in the comment section. Remember, if you want to be talking to me, join our YouTube channel, then subscribe. Click on subscribe now. Like this video, click on like, then share this video now. Click on like now, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, come under the comment of this video, tell me the day, the score that JAMB gave you and the state you wrote your own JAMB, so that we can begin now to handle your matter.